Hi friend, I hope all may this sweet friend, good all and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy friend. First of all, thank you so much for watching my previous video and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friend, in this video providing you gorgeous and trendy amazing project crochet ideas. So please don't skip the video, watch video start to end because all of these design are so stunning and so unique. I hope you all love this type beautiful crochet because it totally handmade and amazing collection. So pick your favorite one and apply for you. So I will share this video with your family and friend who want this type of beautiful crochet ideas. I really hope that they will lovely this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choice and the lovely colors. Thank you my lovely friend for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful in classy pic. It is an amazing collection for thimble new design and new ideas related to your crochet. If you are lovely this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so friend, like my channel,